Pro tip, if you really want to stay away, just listen to this fucker's voice, it'll wake you right up. If that don't work, well, you're fucking screwed, yeah? Well, fuck you, bitch. Alright, you sexy mother huggers. So a while ago I said I was going to make a video based on me just looking at comments from how to stay awake videos and then replying to them and basically making a video out of all your shit. I've now decided it is time to do that. However, I was just going to take all your suggestions and just basically smush them into one big ass video, but I've decided it'll be a hell of a lot better if I just pick like random comments and just kind of reply to them because that's funnier. So yeah, I've got like a folder of like 50 screenshots of like random suggestions and comments and shit, but I'm going to pick like 10 of them. I'm not really going to count them. I'm just going to go until the video is like 5 minutes long or whatever, right? And I'm just going to basically look at them, read them, reply to them, and basically that's about it, really, if I'm honest. And with that all said, let's get on with it. Tire quiz maybe ass. Coffee doesn't work for me and it tastes bitter. I don't like it. Well, that is fucking unacceptable. No. Try again. You clearly did it wrong. Next. MFC 1886. Destroy your bed or sofa so you have nowhere to sleep. Well, that's a bit fucking extreme, lad. I won't lie to you. Honestly, I think I replied to this one saying that's a bit fucking extreme. I won't lie. But here's what I'm going to say. Whatever works for you. If it works, nice one. Plus side, you get to stay awake on the, the bad end of it. You've not got a fucking bed anymore. So, pick your battles. Audric Merritt Weber. Yeah, I think I did that right. Rip, I ran out of coffee. Fucking wounded, lad. It's your fault though. Didn't have enough coffee. Alright. This one I'm just chucking in because I have to, because it's the top comment on that video and the guy did the business doing it, I won't lie to you. So, Gamers Rise, from 3 years ago. Let's be real, you're only watching this because you were stupid enough to ruin your sleep schedule like me. Edit, 3 years, 2.8k likes? Crazy. Yeah man, fair play. Lily C. I drank the coffee and I've only had a cup so far and the graphics on the video game are hurting my head. I mean, I'm normally fine with that, but that coffee is I just feel terrible, okay? LMAO. Alright, so, Lily, listen up, Lily. Lily, listen, Lily, listen. If your head is hurting, my advice here is, you probably need to go to sleep at this point. And this was 3 days ago, so I hope you're better now. If you're not, go to a doctor. I know it's a bit tough at the minute with the whole, lockdown-y shit, but yes, if your head's still hurting, get it looked at. And for future references, never say coffee is, Wafu Vision. I drank a cold-ass Gatorade and felt like a new brain. That is without a doubt my favourite comment I have ever had on anything because that is fucking quality. So, the lesson of this video is, if you want to feel like a new brain, drink a cold ass Gatorade. Yolts Just Me FN. Another thing that helps is chugging water. Feeling tired? Chug water. Honestly, you will feel it almost immediately. Okay. Whilst I do agree that drinking water is exceptional for staying awake, especially on like a hot day when you start feeling like you're melting and shit, you need to be very careful because if you drink too much water, you can die. Oh, hang on a minute. This guy covered all his bases because he replied to this comment saying, "Don't drink too much!" Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this was actually really fun to make, although I won't lie, I feel like shit. My son recently started nursery and he caught a bug there and now I've got that bug and I feel like ass. I am roughly 87.369% sure it's not coronavirus, so we're alright there. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'll be alright, but for now I need soup and tea and Disney Plus.